Ravina.
And this is Supriya.
And together,
We're turning the tables. Alrighty. So, how are we turning the table today, my dear?
let's talk to our
New guest. A beautiful friend, a beautiful guest. We're talking about some serious stuff.
Yep.
Not so serious, maybe, but yeah, enlightening, I would say.
Yes. Yeah, more telling our listeners
Of course.
what's happening.
You know what, Ravina, when I first met her and the way she talked about the work she's doing, I had tears in my eyes because she's doing so well for the community, and she is like, a lightning torch for all the parents out there who are struggling with that situation. And I must say, people like her, they're really doing great community service and bringing back family together with all the happiness.
I can see you're so
Yeah,
overwhelmed.
I know.
Let's
Can't stop myself from praising her, a very generous friend of mine. But yeah, okay, alrighty. Coming back, मेरा show नहीं है आज, तो टीना का show है. Okay, so
Hi,
thank you.
Tina.
Hi, thank you for such a beautiful introduction. I'm overwhelmed as well.
टिश्यू बॉक्सेस का अरेंजमेंट करा
I think
थोड़ा सा.
लग रहा है मुझे थोड़ा सा इमोशंस निकलने वाले हैं.
It feels good. It's natural, right?
Yeah.
Nah, I agree. And Tina, we have our guest today. So Tina, I know she knows, so everyone wants to know who is Tina and what are you doing here with us today?
So I'm Tina. I am an occupational therapist, and I've been working for last 18 years. I've worked both in India and Australia, and I think that makes my whole experience very diverse and expansive.
Yeah.
Of course.
And India, it was more of hands-on therapy approach, and in Australia, I've learned about structure,
Yep.
more evidence, and more family-centered approach.
Yep.
And I think that makes my whole journey very special, unique, because of this blended perspective. So I love it. It was quite overwhelming in the start when I came to Australia, but now I'm loving it.
Must be.
Because now I feel like it's serving the community, as what you said, and bringing that joy to even to one family, or helping that one parent, or creating a value in someone's life, like even kids or even adults.
Yeah.
Even making them learn one skill is a victory for me. So creating those short-term goals, long-term goals for
It must
those.
be very emotional.
It is very emotional because I do get attached to a lot of families. Not all of them, but yeah, of course, some of them I do bring back home those emotions.
Of course.
It is like I do absorb some days the anxiety of those parents, those kids. Some days are overwhelming. मुझे लगता है अपने बच्चों का भी हो गया, शाम तक अपने भी देखने का मन नहीं कर रहा होता.
But I must say, Tina, I know, like, you go through so much in your whole day when you are talking to such people, and you are, because parents, they are also in pain. You are trying to help them understand that I am here.
Yeah.
Let's get together with this passing phase of life.
Yeah.
But I've seen you. You are always smiling. You're always positive. I don't know where you get all that positive. Oh, positive?
बस वो पॉजिटिव ही नहीं है.
Be positive.
Be positive ही है. मैं फिर भी पॉजिटिव है.
सुनो, मैं हूँ ओ पॉजिटिव. याद रखना.
That's
Good. So, but yeah, you are doing it really in a positive way. Okay. Let's come back. So, talked about it. People often do not understand what is autism. So, in bare minimum words, plain language, which everyone can understand, what is autism?
So I think I won't go into definition.
I don't want to
Yes,
get ChatGPT.
What would be the early intervention? What's
So
happening
autism
there?
to me, I would say it's not an illness, and it's not
Exactly.
a disease. I would say it's a different way of thinking and processing an information, right?
Mm.
So these kids are different, normal.
Mm.
So, and it's not disability, it's again differently abled, right?
Yes.
So that's what we need to all learn.
Mm.
And I think to me, autism, if you go to the definition, it is a neurodevelopmental condition which affects the communication skills,
Mm.
social skills, emotional regulation, and sensory processing.
Mm.
So autism kids, I would say I've worked with so many in these 5-6 years, and they are the most smartest. They have got their own unique
Intelligent बहुत
strength.
होते हैं यार.
Very
बहुत
intelligent.
होते
They've
हैं.
got their own unique strength.
Yes.
But one of my autistic kid, he remembers the car plate का number basically.
Hmm.
वो सब number याद करके रखता है.
Wow.
हाँ.
He's so creative that he can draw you right now, and he's good with sketches, good with drawing, good with coloring. So they're so creative. They're so honest.
Very honest, you know. वो
They-
true feelings होती है ना, वो आके बताएंगे यार,
Exactly.
जो वो मजा है वो next level है.
I know कोई manipulative skills नहीं है जो
हाँ,
हम as an
हाँ.
adult सीख जाते हैं. They're so honest. They're so good with memory.
Pure souls.
Pure souls, I would say, and it's so good with their problem solving skills.
Hmm.
Sometimes I think कि हम चाहे फिर 10 बारी दिमाग लगाएंगे, but they're so quick in remembering things, and it's amazing to work with them. It was very challenging at the start, where I was like, I used to come back home and I'm like, there's so much of behavior I used to see in the clinic and when they come for the sessions, and even at home, because at home they're so different because they're in the comfort zone. But
So as you said at home, so the parents are normally the first detectives, right? So what would be the normal first signs before they coming to you? So what is the normal things that they should notice, and then connecting the specialists, you know, how it works?
So I would say, Ravina, here early intervention plays a crucial role,
जी.
because early intervention अगर आपने पहले से detect कर दिया, notice कर दिया those delays,
हाँ.
so it will be easier to support the development of the child, and then we close those gaps early.
Yeah.
So जितना बड़ा वो gap होता जाएगा, it is going to be
जी.
difficult for the child, difficult for the parent, even for the therapist. It becomes so difficult to close those big gaps. So early intervention से मेरा मतलब है, for example, if you see कि 2-3 साल का बच्चा नहीं language आई है अभी तक,
बोल नहीं रहा.
बोल नहीं रहा, या eye contact नहीं दे रहा, या अपना नाम respond नहीं कर रहा है,
जी.
और flapping कर रहा है, fidgeting कर रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, he's disturbed, he's so dysregulated, कभी रोता है, कभी हंसता है.
कुछ होता है.
Sleep is an issue too because they're so dysregulated. They don't know how to calm themselves down. So anxiety issues होता है, and even lot of other delays as well. Grasp नहीं आया है छोटे में, जो grasp reflex आपका birth पे ही आ जाता है और integrate होता है 4 से 6 महीने में, वो आपका अगर 1-2 साल तक भी बच्चा पकड़ नहीं पा रहा है चीजें, it's a red flag.
Clear sign. हाँ.
It's a red flag, right?
Correct.
So you would have to investigate and go for assessment straight away, because फिर वो नहीं दिमाग में रखना है कि it's gonna be a taboo or a tag, because वो ज़्यादा होना शुरू हो जाता है, and that's where lot of parents I've seen, they don't go for an assessment.
है ना. हाँ.
So I think if I am understanding it, so actually problem तो है नहीं ये, ठीक है? It's not a disease which we are trying to
That's
cure,
what, yeah,
right?
exactly.
So as an occupational therapist, what do you actually do to help them out?
I think that's a very good question, because I would have to say this loud here, because not a lot of people know what OT does.
Yeah.
Because सबको ये पता है फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट जो है वो पेन को देखेगा, स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट स्पीच को देखेगा, बट ओटी का किसी को पता ही नहीं है.
There must be wearing so many different hats for everybody, right?
And OT is truly holistic and very vast.
Hmm.
So, as an OT, so if I work with adults, it could be um, looking for a mobility aid like a scooter trial or a wheelchair trial,
Hmm.
or doing a home modification for someone who's wheelchair bound, or bathroom modification.
Somebody who's with disability.
Right, or even teaching a life skill
Yeah, yeah.
to make them independent. It could be a teenager who's struggling with driving or public transport.
Yeah.
So it could be shopping, making them independent in the daily life. So
Okay.
basically, if I go by definition, then occupational therapy is helping someone with disability achieve a better life,
Yeah.
or to become more independent in their activities of daily living.
Hmm.
You know, I remember Sitare Zameen Par movie.
हाँ.
Abhi Sara, it was all about those sort of kids, right? So इनका सबका अपना अलग अलग नॉर्मल होता है ना?
हाँ ना,
तो
हाँ.
उनको बस वो नॉर्मल ट्रैक पे लेकर
Normal.
जाना है ना?
That's what everyone
उनका
needs to
normal
understand.
recognize
isn't
करते
it?
हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Yeah. So as an OT, I would look into fine motor skills. ग्रॉस बैलेंस आया नहीं आया, कोऑर्डिनेशन आई नहीं आई है, या छोटे में अगर डेवलपमेंटल माइलस्टोन्स हैं तो क्रॉलिंग आई है कि नहीं आई है, सिटिंग, स्टैंडिंग, वॉकिंग, are they able to achieve their developmental milestones on time? If it's not come on time, then parents need to be aware that you need to go for an assessment
हाँ.
and just understand
Okay.
and even reach out to a therapist or a professional for help.
Sensory issues की प्रॉब्लम होती है बच्चों में? Are they?
Sensory in autism is a big area. So I have done basically a course in sensory integration where I've learned more about sensory issues.
अच्छा.
So it's like kids have a lot of issues with sensory, especially when it comes to autism. For example, वैक्यूम की आवाज है तो अपने कान बंद कर लेंगे, प्रेशर कुकर की आवाज है तो अपने कान बंद कर लेंगे. That's how hypo or hypersensitive their body and brain is. So हम लोग
Even
जैसे-
soft चीजें.
Yeah.
उन
So
चीजों
they would
से-
like to touch things, they would touch sensitivity, or they would like to smell things. So lotions को smell करना, or spinning around. So that's more of a proprioception, a kinesthetic sensory issue. Or swing पे बहुत तेज करना,
अच्छा,
या
okay, हाँ.
so visual में कई बच्चों का मैं देखती हूँ ऐसे eyes के पास हाथ रख के करते हैं, तो visual sensitivity where, और even एक particular चीज से fixation होना, कि अगर कार्स लगानी है तो वैसे लाइन में ही लगेंगे,
लाइन में ही लगेंगे,
या कार के साथ खेलेंगे तो कार के साथ ही खेलेंगे.
और अगर कोई टेढ़ी मेढ़ी हो गई तो वो
Then there is a problem. Or even what I've seen is कि alphabets भी when you're doing with them, so alphabets भी ऐसे बीच में से नहीं दे सकते हो, शुरू ए से ही होगा.
हाँ.
और Z पे ही खत्म होना चाहिए.
मुझे तो कभी कभी लगता है जो लोग थोड़ा परफेक्शन के लिए स्ट्राइव करते हैं ना,
हाँ.
उनमें भी एक डिग्री का ऑटिज्म ही है.
There
I think all of
is-
us have some kind of thing.
Yeah, I think somewhere we are on the spectrum.
मुझे तो बहुत बार लगता है यार.
बस हम थोड़े से एडवांस हो चुके हैं.
Because I love soft stuff. मुझे
शायद-
soft चीजें बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं. मेरे तो sensory issue पक्का है.
इसको भी सेंसरी इश्यूज हैं. आप बैठे हो ना, क्वाइट रूम है, ठीक है, शी कैन टेल कि कुछ अलग सा साउंड आ रहा है ना, ये तेरे को वीजिंग हो रही है क्या? मैंने कहा भाई नॉर्मल बैठी हूँ मैं.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत
इसकी senses
मेरे
बहुत
senses
strong
बहुत
है.
ज़्यादा strong है.
तो
Next
इस
level
spectrum पे
है.
मुझे
My
लगता है.
smell is very strong. My eyesight is, my hearing is next level.
Yeah.
I could hear everything very
हाँ, कई
easily.
बच्चों को टैग नहीं पसंद आता ये पीछे का, क्योंकि
हाँ.
that's a sensory issue, कि वो
टच कर रहा है बार बार.
टच कर रहा है. कॉटन प्रेफर करते हैं बच्चे, बिकॉज ऐसे इस तरीके के कपड़ों को उनको नहीं समझ में
नहीं
आते हैं.
comfort होते
And that's what we provide them. We provide strategy and education to those parents. कि you try this and it is okay.
तो you deal with different kind of
Yeah.
kids, right, and different level of autism.
Hmm.
So any story you remember where it was really difficult, for you to handle the situation, and how did you actually cope up with it?
So yesterday only I've seen a child who is the parents are so overwhelmed because they don't know what to do with this child. No attention span, no sitting tolerance.
No.
So he's not focusing on anything. He just wanders around. He can't stay in one spot for even 1 minute.
Oh God. Okay.
No eye contact, nothing. So I've seen such cases with this much complexity, and with these kind of kids, for few sessions I let them do what they want to do, and from there I create a structure.
Then you
So
understand.
I let them play in that sensory play. For example, इस बच्चे को अगर वो एनिमल्स के साथ खेलना और उसको नीचे फेंकना पसंद है, वो इस हाथ से कर रहा है तो मैं उस हाथ से उसको पेग्स करा दूंगी. So I'm letting him also understand that that's how you follow instruction. So
Yeah.
in between he gave me some bit of eye contact and a
Wow.
smile.
Okay.
So उसने मैंने उसे हाथ पकड़ा, फिर उसने मुझे टच किया.
Oh, that was a win-win.
That's a victory for me, right?
Yeah.
ऐसे small wins से I gain confidence that
यहाँ पे
I'm doing a good job.
Yeah.
So those wins are so important, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I think overall, it's just a great experience working with these kids, and every day is a new learning. With every child, I learn so much. मुझे लगता है मैं उनको कम सिखाती हूँ, वो मुझे ज़्यादा सिखाते हैं. Because it's just through their experience I learn, and then I go back and get an understanding.
How good is
What
that?
is this child is telling me?
Nice.
तो थेरेपीज के बारे में तो हम हमेशा सुनते हैं कि देयर इज डिफरेंट थेरेपीज, लेकिन जब पेरेंट्स का आता है, जब व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैमिलीज, तो कैसी एक्सेप्टेंस पेरेंट्स में आना, एनीथिंग यू नो हाउ इट
Let's not go
गोस.
there.
You know, hitting on the nerve right
No.
there.
I struggle with some parents, and but I do understand and feel them at the same time.
Yeah, true.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. It's
to
very
take
very
care
hard.
of a kid who's been having so many issues, and
Especially
especially
when you
behavioral issues.
in starting must be harder because accept करना के this will be our challenge from now for
I
few
know.
years, you know.
और यहाँ पे आके in Australia उतनी help भी नहीं मिलती है
Help
ना,
नहीं
that
मिलती।
support. Where India में आपको वो support मिल जाती है.
जी.
आपको यहाँ पे आके वो support नहीं मिलती है. So you have to still pay the bills. You have to still work hard at home. You have to still look after not just a kid with autism but also the other sibling.
Other siblings.
So
I know.
It's
वो ना
just-
neglect हो जाए कहीं.
क्योंकि फिर आपको वो love and care सेम देनी है ना, मतलब it's like आप एक को attention ज्यादा और दूसरे को कम नहीं दे
दे
सकते.
सकते. True true.
I know. Parenting itself is
So hard. हमारे लिए कितना hard है. So
Yeah.
think about parents की जिस घर में एक autism बच्चा नहीं है but 2 या 3 है.
Oh shit.
It just
Okay.
gets so
ये भी
much.
होता है?
हाँ.
Oh.
And even
that's-
physical disability
हाँ,
for that
that's the
instance,
next
not just
level.
autism, but even having a physical. So I've got kids who have cerebral palsy, which they have physical
Yeah.
disability. with it.
Okay. So it has something to do with hereditary as well, or no?
Um, so some of the conditions are genetic, but there are families where they say कि हमारी family में कोई भी autism या वैसा नहीं है, or maybe they haven't done the diagnosis, so we don't
I
even know
agree.
about it, right?
That's where I was getting at. Like now there is awareness. Now people talk about it. Earlier people didn't even know.
Yeah.
Like generations prior to us, they didn't even know that there is something called minor autism.
नहीं होता था
Yeah.
पहले यार. हमारे like I'm from a small town in India. वहाँ पे मैंने देखी, अभी मैं सोचती हूँ उसके बारे में. Back home टाउन में एक दो बच्चे या गर्ल्स ऐसे होते थे, they are bit slow, जब उनको बस कह रहे थे भोला है, you know, he's slow, like वहाँ पे वो टेंशन है नहीं. तो कल्चरली जो चेंज हुआ है, that is very very different now. Like people are more aware culturally.
Yeah.
But do you face any problem here as a having, especially with Indian community, or how do you deal
So I
with
think
this?
Indian families or Asian families, I would say कि वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं some of the parents and especially Indian families where they do want to hide that diagnosis. उनको लगता है कोई tag लग रहा है मेरे बच्चे को. But I would say it's not a tag. It's like getting an early intervention done or at the young age is better. You are still working to make your child a better individual at the end of the day by getting the assessment done right. And I would also say कि एक ना global standard है इंडियन फैमिलीज में कि इसी टाइम पे बच्चा स्कूल करेगा, इसी टाइम पे कॉलेज करेगा,
इसी टाइम पे शादी
इसी
होगी।
टाइम पे यही होगा, क्योंकि हम खुद देखा है ना वो होते हुए।
टाइमलाइन होती है ना, उसको फॉलो करना जरूरी है।
और वो नहीं फॉलो हो रहा, देन यू थिंक दैट इट्स नॉट नॉर्मल,
हाँ।
and then that's where the acceptance doesn't come. And when I say the acceptance is such a big thing with these kids, because these big kids pick emotions so much, क्योंकि they're already so emotionally dysregulated.
जी।
तो जब पेरेंट्स को देखते हैं ना कि वो anxious है, and that comes from not accepting. So वो anxiety की दूसरे का बच्चा तो ये सब कर रहा है at the age of 5.
कंपैरिजन आता है जल्दी।
That comparison, right? That's what the pressure
प्रेशर
उनको खुद को भी है, क्योंकि ये देखा नहीं है कभी होते हुए ना। So that's where the comparison come, and these kids pick their parents' emotions, and that's where the anxiety gets more. तो already dysregulated है,
जी।
but parents की भी emotions pick करके they don't know where to go.
क्योंकि
It's all
sense-
messed up.
messed
क्योंकि
up.
सेंसिटिविटी ज्यादा तो है ही ना।
Correct.
तो दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट डिफरेंट वाइब इन द
हाँ,
हाउस,
हाँ.
and they are understanding that something is not right
Yeah.
with me, and that's why my parents and my siblings are reacting
True.
this way,
Yeah.
and they are trying to just cope up among themselves. Oh my god.
So many issues, sensory issues है, फिर attention में problem है, but when they go in the real world, they see वहाँ पे इतना comparison है, घर में इतना comparison है, तो कहाँ से cope up करेगा?
कहाँ से करेगा? It's not going to be easy for
हाँ.
them. और स्पेशली अगर स्कूल्स में या घर पे वो सपोर्ट ना मिले, then it's the biggest issue.
Yeah. So there is acceptance, but it is still on the surface and superficial level. It's not deep within.
But Tina, I mean, you talked about this timeline thing. So, but अगर timeline नहीं होगी तो पेरेंट्स को कैसे पता चलेगा that something is not right? For example, 2 साल का बच्चा है ना? हमें पता है कि वो within 2 years span थोड़ा तो बोलने लग जाता है, ठीक है? अब वो नहीं बोल रहा, quiet है, ठीक है? तो वो एक timeline मिस हुई. That's where they feel कि बोल क्यों नहीं रहा बच्चा? Is everything okay? वो टाइमलाइन मिस नहीं होगी तो और क्या तरीके हैं कि उन्हें पता चले कि something is not right, or I won't say not right, something is different in their
I
child.
think timeline not for the younger babies we're talking about, it's
Yeah.
for the older ones.
Yeah.
That time it gets more stressful in our families कि जी 10 साल का हो गया तो ये होना चाहिए, teenager हो गया तो ये होना चाहिए. I hope like even girls में their periods get delayed or early periods आ रहे हैं, तो these all problems are there. Those are the timelines of problem.
Yeah. So I think what you're saying is right, because वहीं पर ही assessment करना है.
Assessment शुरू
First
होती
sign,
है.
I guess.
Because I think parents now they're educated. सब parents को पता है autism है क्या.
हाँ.
और कुछ भी बच्चे में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो some of those educated parents really get panic कि ये हो गया, वैसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया. So I want just to listen to the therapist, listen to the pediatrician, and I think the therapy becomes more effective once parents know what they're doing. So जैसे ही उनकी anxiety और उनका stress कम होता है, वैसे ही we start working better, because यहाँ पे फिर भी आपको weekly या fortnightly sessions मिलेंगे.
जी.
And I understand parents जब कहते हैं कि इंडिया में तो रोज रोज थेरेपी मिल सकती है, यहाँ पे रोज नहीं मिल सकती, and it is hard because I see the kid every fortnight just because I'm at capacity.
हाँ.
और it's just उनको basically weekly और fortnightly sessions में मैं उतनी strategies को implement नहीं कर पाती, right?
Exactly.
The family has to help you.
So family
amplify at
has
home.
to work with the therapist alongside, and it's not just the OT,
जी.
it's the whole allied health professionals. So speech therapist, psychologist, physiotherapist. So everyone needs to align together to be on the same page.
Does it work in a team for particular like child, or do you guys communicate with each other?
Yes, so we do have care team meetings.
Okay.
So for one particular case, we do have care team meetings, and everyone's aligned their goals together and work together
Very good.
to achieve that particular goal. So if I have a goal as an OT to make that child better with self-care, the speechy might have a goal with language or communication. and so on. But everyone needs to align, so we're not really clashing with each other's goal, right? So
Fair enough.
that's something which we all
Yeah,
need to.
to have a best thing for the child. So
Yeah.
it's very good.
But the parents need to also understand कि therapies पे trust करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Exactly.
Not just keep hoping. एक therapist नहीं अच्छा लगा तो 4 दिन बाद दूसरे को देखने के लिए जाएंगे.
बहुत टाइम लगता है.
And even these things, it takes time. It's
Trust
just
issue आते हैं.
ट्रस्ट इश्यूज बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं बिकॉज सबके साथ आप वैसी वाइब और अलाइन नहीं कर पाते
जी।
विद दोस फीलिंग्स एंड ऑल बिकॉज समवेयर इफ आई यूज लाइक अ फर्म अप्रोच एंड सम पेरेंट्स वोंट लाइक दैट फर्म अप्रोच सो नाउ आई लर्न दैट बैलेंस of firm and also making the child understand. If the child is not listening to me, of course I'm going to hold his hand and bring him back to the session, right? If he's running around, I have to hold his hand
Yeah.
to bring him back to the therapy session.
Of course.
And some parents don't like that approach. So
हमारे बच्चे को ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते.
ऐसे नहीं कर सकते because कैसे उसको हाथ पकड़ लिया या जोर से कैसे पकड़ लिया and all of that.
So on that note, initially you mentioned that you did this practice in India, and now you are doing in Australia. Australia में we have versatile level of people, we have diversity. So with Indian community we have other communities as well. So do you see a difference in how other communities deal with it, or like, you know, what's the difference you feel between India and Australia doing the practice?
So in India it was as I said, it was more of hands-on, practical ज़्यादा चलता था और I think I learned when I worked in India in special schools. I learned a lot
Okay.
because वहाँ पे the whole working atmosphere is so different. एक स्पेशल स्कूल में बच्चे आते हैं.
हाँ.
So यहाँ पे फिर भी मैं स्कूल में जाती हूँ
Normal
बच्चों को
schools में
विजिट
बच्चे
करने
जा
के
रहे
लिए.
हैं. हाँ.
अच्छा.
So special school में I visit as an OT myself
Okay.
and see their performance. So that's a big difference कि वो बच्चे
Even,
special.
do you visit in childcare as well when they are in childcare?
So I
or
do
just
visit
school?
childcare, I do visit kindergarten.
Okay.
School में I go
To see their
to
daily life.
see. और वहाँ पे इंडिया में क्या दिखता था कि ऐसे नॉर्मल सरफेस लेवल पे जब आपका ऑटिज्म डिटेक्ट हो गया, फॉर एग्जांपल लेवल 1 इंडिया में बहुत टाइम बाद डिटेक्ट होता है. तो यहाँ पे लेवल 1 दैट अवेयरनेस इज देयर, सो व्हिच इज अ गुड पार्ट,
It
राइट?
is a good part.
कि आपको स्कूल वाले ही बता देते हैं कि यू हैव टू गेट एन असेसमेंट, ही माइट हैव ADHD, ही माइट हैव ऑटिज्म. बट इंडिया में उतना
अवेयरनेस नहीं है, या फिर बताना भी डरते हैं लोग, नहीं थोड़ा सा.
अभी भी फिर बहुत ज्यादा बेटर है.
हाँ जी.
It's not that backward yet, but
Okay.
yeah, but I think it is getting better.
और सपोर्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जैसे यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट हैज सपोर्ट फॉर सच किड्स एंड लाइक इंडिया आई डोंट नो
So यहाँ पे NDIS funding हो गया. Even I see sometimes kids who have Medicare only, and not the NDIS funding. But when we are talking about acceptance, I think I still have to bring that point कि सबको लगता है pediatrician को दिखा दिया, diagnosis मिल गया, funding मिल गई, funding को use करते हैं. So कई लोगों को ये भी पता नहीं होता कि occupational therapist NDIS funding पे लिखा हुआ तो आ गया है, होता क्या है?
ask me about it.
So not a lot of people know what OT does. So I think जब वो start करते हैं sessions, तो first initial assessment में भी I tell them कि this is what the OT does and this is what I'll be working on with your child. So I think that has gone better because now people know what OT do. So yeah.
I remember, I'll give you a real life example on
हाँ.
what OT is.
हाँ.
So as you guys know, I'm doing Salesforce implementation NDIS में ना. So there we were selecting कि किसको क्या क्या support चाहिए, ठीक है? तो occupational therapist comes there कि ये वाला support चाहिए, ठीक है? So we were just establishing the process, और then there are different skill set कि इसके लिए भी OT चाहिए, इसके लिए भी चाहिए, इसके लिए, तो it was like huge list. तो then I was like कि अच्छा इतना काम करते हैं occupational therapist, इतना important है ये. और जब हम funding
टीना से बात करके मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा हाँ,
Exactly.
you can never had to deal with any OT before, so I'm like
That's what happened that day. So I got to know कि इतना काम होता है, ठीक है? And fortunately, other day we were catching up and then we were just like talking to each other. So she's like, yeah, as OT, I'm like, what OT? Are you occupational therapist? Tina, she said, yes. I'm like, oh my God, tell me all about
With the strengthening issues or endurance, then they need to see a physiotherapist.
Yeah.
So it's a whole care team.
Who works
Um,
together.
Yeah, we work together to support that child and work on their goals.
And तुम लोगों की आपस में
Amazing.
communication होती है? You guys have any meetings? क्या होता है?
Yes, so every month,
Hmm.
ideally, we should have care team meetings, but to get everyone's availability, it's very hard for someone to organize that because everyone is so busy. So we end up meeting once or twice a month.
Oh, that's fine. Still, at least you all are, working together
And you're on
as
the
a
same
team.
page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to work on that goal together is so important that we all working on a different goal and the goals are not clashing with each other.
Okay, so when we're talking about working together, that one thing strikes my mind here is, okay, we have a child who is differently abled, and then parents have recognized it, they have accepted the fact, they have come along on the journey, and they are supporting the child.
Yeah.
All good. We all are taking care of the child, you have a team working for them. But what about parents? They might be going through a lot. How do they deal with this mental health issue, I would
Or is there
say?
any
Yeah.
support for
Yeah,
them?
I mean, how do you guys bring them along the journey so that they are well taken care of?
Yeah. So that's a very good question, Supriya.
Thank you.
But through my experience, I've seen that these kids, as I said earlier, that they pick up their parents' emotions. So parents, I've seen a lot of parents who've been struggling with their own mental health.
Yep.
So they're acknowledging the fact that you're going through a mental health challenge, that's one thing. But once you've accepted or have this awareness, I think it's important for parents to reach out to a professional.
Okay.
To do that self-care for themselves, right? To exercise, to look after themselves, because then only they can look after our own health.
That's right.
Yes.
हम लोग अपना ध्यान रखते हैं तभी बच्चों का रख पाते हैं, अच्छा घर देख पाते हैं. So it is important. It is quite overwhelming for parents, firstly to accept and also do everything together, like look after their own mental health.
Yeah.
But I would give a tip here for all the parents that it is important when the child is having a meltdown and you are struggling or you're unstable at that situation. I want the other parent who's stable to step in that situation.
Yep.
So that is more important, right? So if the child is having a meltdown or not wanting to listen or is quite dysregulated, it's important that the parent who's more stable mentally that time in that situation should step in.
So both couples should be working together as well.
Correct. And I've also seen in my experience that the other child who doesn't have autism struggles to get that love and affection of the parents. Because सारा का सारा focus autism बच्चे पे disabled बच्चे पे हो
Exactly.
जाता है और दूसरे वाला neglect हो जाता है. And that child is frustrated inside. And then in long-term outcomes, you will see certain behaviors in those when they become teenagers.
Oh, okay.
So it's important that one parent is looking after one child and the other parent. So the parents need to unite together to work with both the kids. Or if you have three, then of course it's a difficult thing for them. But they both need to work together, and that unity is more important.
Unity. Yeah. End of the day, सबको team work में काम करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
It works with
And-
everybody, including the
Yes.
family, extended family, friends. Then you guys team.
Yes.
So there is a lot. I feel like we can talk about this hours and hours. है ना?
Support चाहिए तो they can ask from the grandparents या अपने parents को बुलाना. It's important that to ask for that support and reach out to a professional. If you're struggling with mental health challenges, then you should have your own psychologist to talk to.
True that.
Because I've also seen in Indian families that they one of the parent is doing all, like she's the one running the show. It's mostly mothers, and because the dad does not have acceptance, they don't do anything to contribute in the house. So
Certainly.
that's where mothers gets exhausted and then they struggle with their own mental health.
एक्सेप्टेंस भी होती है और समटाइम दे आर द एज वी डिस्कस बिफोर, यहाँ पे और कोई हेल्प तो होती नहीं है, दे आर द breadwinner as well
Yeah.
at home, उनको काम पे भी जाना है, so many things, और that time शेयर करनी पड़ेगी सारी responsibilities, not one person can do same stuff,
Yeah.
so it has to be shared equally. So,
Yeah.
like
One more
we-
tip I would like to give. Sorry to interrupt.
No,
but
no,
one more
go
tip
for
would
it.
be that if the mother is saying that the child is having an issue, you should trust that mother instinct.
Of course.
So I believe कि वो बोल देती है कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, दिखा देते हैं, but then grandparents या partner बोल देगा कि कुछ नहीं है, तेरे को ही लग रहा है
ऐसे
ज़्यादा।
लग रहा है, ज्यादा सोचती है
Yeah. So I think that is something which that mother instinct in science सारी feel हो जाती है जब I think mother instinct is so important that time.
Of
So
course.
trust
So, right.
what the mother is saying, right?
हाँ.
So just believe in them and trust them and help them.
No one knows better than the mother.
Mother isn't it? They're so close to the child
Yeah.
That's right.
that they know things better. कि क्या चल रहा है मेरे बच्चे के।
वो एक्स्ट्रा 9 months कहीं तो क्रेडिट देंगे ना,
Right.
यही क्रेडिट है हमारा।
Yeah, exactly.
इसीलिए तो देखो मूवीज कभी भी फादर पे बनी है, there's always the movies on
वो
mom.
तो देखो हमें ये भी आदत है हर जगह सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बनने की।
So true.
Chalo, well, thank you, Tina, for such insightful and enlightening session. I must say, it's very difficult what you are doing, but doing it with smile and just guiding and making people aware is another level of community service you are doing. Much appreciated.
you.
But before we go, I would like to know a little bit more about like how do you भूल गई मैं क्वेश्चन, सॉरी यहाँ पे काटना है, मैं क्वेश्चन भूल गई हूँ, क्या था लास्ट? हाँ
Sorry, I'll ask.
sorry, we'll ask this again. Yeah.
So, any takeaways, Tina? Any takeaways you want to tell our audience? What would be the next thing? Like any 3 things we should be careful.
So I think there are a lot of things, but but 3 things would be true acceptance is more important.
Yeah.
Not just on the surface level, but deep within, and it is okay.
Yep.
The second thing I would say, believe in the child's potential. They will perform better.
Yep.
just believe in what they're doing and accepting. These are the two. And the last one would be not judging them.
Yeah, support them.
Support them. They feel more insecure when someone is not supporting them.
Yeah.
So I would say half the battle is won if your loved ones support you and not judge you and truly accept you. Right? So that is something, that is something we, that's a takeaway for today.
I know, I think, and not just, child with different ability, I would say, anybody.
Yeah, anybody. An adult would perform better if you're supported and not judged, right?
Exactly.
So, yeah, and that family unity is more important. So that family unity, if you collaborate together, the family dynamics is better. And the child feels so secure at
And
home.
loved.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Alrighty. Well, heartwarming.
I'm sure Tina's gonna come back to our show again. We have so much to talk and discuss about it.
Exactly. I know. We'll talk more in detail, Tina, maybe down the line. And
Yeah, of
I
course.
think we would like to know more of a case studies as well going forward.
Definitely our audience will give us more questions to discuss, and next time we can talk about them, right?
Exactly. And guys, I think if you are struggling and if you are feeling someone around you is facing some issue, then please reach out to our darling Tina. She's there to help.
She may not have time, but she'll do something for you.
Now we'll put all her details in our description,
Yep.
and feel free to DM us as well. We can connect you. But as she said, accept it, support your loved ones, and work together as a team. It's not a problem. It's just little bit delay here and there, but उनका अपना अलग normal है.
It's a
It's a different norm, and it's a journey. Please do it. Enjoy this journey as well. I know. हो गया है तो Accept करो भाई, enjoy
Exactly.
करो.
Awesome. Alrighty. So on the parting
Thank you
note,
for
thank you,
coming.
Tina.
Thank you for having me.
Much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. And like, share, subscribe.
हाँ,
हाँ,
बहुत
बोलो. Alright.
Until
मैं
then,
बोल देती हूँ आज. Please like and subscribe.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
And until then,
Ciao, ciao.
ciao.